If you work with GIMP and you've ever run into strange tool behavior, plugin problems, or script errors, then the GIMP Error Console is one of the most useful places you can check. In this video, I'll show you what the GIMP Error Console is, how to open it, and how to use the clear errors and save log options so you can troubleshoot faster and keep your workflow clean. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more software guides just like this. Let's get started. The GIMP Error Console is a built-in log window that records errors, warnings, and diagnostic messages while GIMP is running. That makes it especially helpful if you are testing Python FU or ScriptView plugins, or if a tool is acting in a way you didn't expect. Instead of guessing what went wrong, you can open the console and see the messages GIMP is generating in real time. To open the Error Console, go to the main menu at the top of GIMP, click Windows, then move to Dockable Dialogues, and finally select Error Console. Once you click it, the console will appear as a dockable panel inside GIMP. If you do not see it immediately, look around your workspace because it may open in a dock or as part of your current panel layout. Now that it's open, you'll see the error messages listed inside the console. This is where you can review any warnings or diagnostic information that GIMP has captured. If you're developing a plugin, testing a script, or trying to understand why a command failed, this is the first place to look. If you want to clear out old messages and start fresh, use the Clear Errors button. In the console, this is the brush icon or the clear icon at the bottom. Clicking it instantly wipes the current view so you can focus only on new errors that happen after that point. That is really useful when you want to test one change at a time and avoid confusion from older messages. If you need to keep a copy of the log, use the Save Log option. This is the disk icon at the bottom of the console. Clicking it lets you export the active error log to a text file. That can be very helpful if you want to share a bug report with a developer, ask for help in a forum, or keep records of what happened during a test session. A good workflow is to clear the console first, repeat the action that causes the issue, and then check the new messages that appear. That way you can more easily identify the exact error connected to the problem. If needed, save the log immediately so you have a clean file to review later. So to recap, the GIMP Error Console is where you can view warnings, errors, and diagnostic messages. Open it from Windows, Dockable Dialogues, Error Console, clear it with the brush or clear icon, and save the log with the disk icon. If this video helped you understand the GIMP Error Console, please give it a like, subscribe for more GIMP tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.